Hello, and welcome to my channel. My name is Kat. I am the Nurse Flipper. I am a part-time reseller, full-time nurse and mom, and this channel is what's sold on eBay, some thrift hauls, auction finds, and things like that. Today I have a great bolo item for you guys, and it was an amazing flip. So stay tuned, and we're going to go over $600 in eBay sales from a Wednesday. All right, guys, so up first is a necklace. This one is not marked, and I want to keep saying you can sell jewelry if it's not marked. You just have to describe it well. This one I just put rose gold tone key pendant, double strand. So it is double stranded, as you see. And here is the key. It's a very pretty necklace. It is not real gold. So I just put rose gold tone to make sure that they don't think that this is like 12 karat or 14 karat gold. And I put the length of the chain, which was 30 inches. So this one sold for $11 plus shipping. Buyer is $16.75 all in. And I want to show you guys a couple of things. First, this is my inventory system, so it says in 4, and I have it in a bin so I can find it easily in the bag. And then to ship it out, I use these jewelry boxes, and then I put it in padded flat rate, so it's protected in the box. And these are eBay ones that we got free with our coupon from the eBay store. And the jewelry boxes, I do have the link down in the description for those. So once we put it in the box, it just makes it where that's cardboard around it, and it will go in the flat rate, and this will go first class. So the jewelry boxes are pretty cheap, and that just makes it where we don't have to put this in an actual box. I don't use the jewelry boxes if stuff's super cheap and I don't worry about it getting broken, but I do use them for stuff like that. So up next is another, this one is not marked either. This is not sterling silver. This is from the Southwestern lot. This is an eagle, and I did put crushed turquoise and coral in my description. No markings. And this one sold for $31.17 plus shipping. Again, same method as last time. Put it in the box and then in a padded envelope. So buyer is $38.02 all in on an unmarked pendant. Describe your stuff good and it'll sell. And then up next, we have some Russell Wright bowls. These do have crazing if you see the cracks there, so you will want to point that out to your buyers. These are older, so they are engraved with Russell Wright there. This color is a chartreuse green. I paid about $2 for these two bowls. They sold for $16 plus shipping. So these will go in like an 8x6 box, and we wrap them in small bubble wrap, big bubble wrap, and then we put them in peanuts as well just to protect them a little bit better. So buyer on that one is $28.41 all in. And then we have two sets of 3 nasal mist. This first one, actually they bought 3 sets of 3, so they bought 9 bottles for $47.37. And then we have another lot of 3 for $15. Those, if you haven't seen my other videos, I paid 8 cents per can, and they are free shipping, so we make $4 to $5 on each set of 3 because we give them free shipping. Up next, this is pretty cool. This is a wool scarf. It does have a tag that's set. You can tell this tag is older. It does say it was made in Scotland, and it is wool. So you want to watch out for wool scarves. You want to watch out for wool throws. Anything that's solid wool most times will bring you pretty good money. I paid 99 cents for this at the thrift store. It sold for $21.93 plus shipping, and it will just go in another envelope here. I am showing what I'm packing in because I did have a couple of viewers ask me because they're mainly selling clothes, so they're wanting to know what the hard goods get shipped in. So I'm trying to show that a little more often for those of you that are new and are kind of unsure about what to pack stuff in. And then up next, these I got at a local Goodwill. Most of the as seen on TV stuff kind of holds its value. I paid 99 cents for these at the local Goodwill. They sold for $14.94. And then we sold another one of the video games. This one is Fight Night Round 3. This one sold for $6.49 plus shipping. Buyer is $11.19 all in. We paid $2, so about a $3 to $4 profit on that. And that will just go in the little padded envelope and go first class. And then up next, this was in my $25 unboxing I did. This brand is Keep Collective. It's got like the stripes there. And then this one was new in the box, and it's just a really simple silver band with the stones. And I was surprised at what this comped out at. This one actually sold for $26.44 plus shipping. The buyer is $33.07 all in. I was not familiar with this brand. Again, it is Keep Collective, and I only knew because of the box. And that will also go in that padded envelope. They're number 1 size. I think they're 6 by 9. And up next is a remote that I can't find. So that was in my bag, but I think the baby might have taken it. And that one sold for $11.40 plus shipping. Buyer is $17.22 all in. I'll pop it up there. And then we have more of the green glass paint. 3 sold for $5.26 plus shipping. We're about $1 in, so about $3.50 profit on that. All of this stuff does add up though. The next thing is a purse hook. This was in my keychain unboxing video from Donatella Bodolino. She does online auctions. I have about $1 in, and this one sold for $10 plus shipping. Buyers $15 all in. And then this necklace was from my last jewelry lot. It's really pretty there. And it sold pretty fast. It was not listed very long. This one actually sold for $30 plus shipping. The buyer is $37.70 all in. This one was tagged. This one is Accessocrat NYC. So if you see that brand, looks like it sells pretty good. And last up, this is what everybody's looking for. So last up is, and if you saw my estate haul sale, you would have seen this. This is a vintage Smokey the Bear poster, and this guy sold for $200 plus shipping. I paid $1 for this, and I still have one left. That was actually the smaller one, and we'll ship this in this like poster tube. I think they might call these for like plans and stuff like that. So $1 into 200. Guys, Smokey the Bear is hot. Not all of them sell that high, but if you can get them cheap, I would get almost any Smokey the Bear stuff. So yeah, so today's total going out is $641.85. Our cost of goods are super low. Our shipping, sorry that the baby is screaming, shipping is like the Jeopardy theme here. Baby's arguing with the dogs. Shipping is $87.27, so not very high. Profits are probably going to be around $400 on the stuff that sold. So this was a great day. Poster definitely takes the cake, and I will see you guys next time.